BMW R 1200 GS 2006 model, gearbox oil change. I'm just changing the oil in the gearbox on this fabulous BMW motorbike. As I understand it, it's not like engine oil, you don't need to change it that regularly. But my reason for changing is that I now know what type of oil's in there and when it was changed. I've removed the level plug here and the drain plug under here, and I've made this little piece of, well, it's a piece of ice cream container carton, so the oil runs down into the receptacle without going all over your centre stand and onto the floor. Here's the replacement oil. It's a different specification to that shown in the manual, because as I understand it, this is the oil that supersedes that particular specification. I've also got some replacement seals here, supplied by Motorworks. Very good chaps indeed. Find them online at Motorworks. The bike's on this trolley jack, so I can just get it to lean back a little bit, and I think this has helped drain the last dregs out of the gearbox. I reckon that's it, so I'm gonna put the drain plug and level plug back in, and, well, no, top it up first, then put the level plug back in. That's a good start. I'm trying to put the wrong plug in the wrong hole.
And she got kidnapped. And when I met her, she was living and running a bar on a tiny mud hovel with a
Torque wrench setting is 30 newtons.
We know a little bit about what Abarash did and why she did it. How would you describe her as a person? Abarash was possessed of this extraordinary.
Right, now then, the procedure here, I believe, is to fill. I don't think that's supposed to do that, I think it's supposed to pull out. Is to fill this. That's supposed to pull out. I have to get a pair of slim nose on that. I can't find any slim nose, so I'm using circlip pliers instead. That's brilliant, that's fantastic. Right, here we go. Goody goody. I thought I was going to run out of oil then before it filled up. I reckon that's it. This one's 30 newtons as well. So that's it. Now I know what type of oil's in there and when it was put in. Don't you just love being in control? Now I thought I should just add that I will be disposing of this spent oil in an environmentally friendly way by depositing it at my local recycling centre. Now, interestingly enough, I found out the other day, this is not very surprising at all, that there are a group of people who think that the only really environmentally friendly thing for humanity to do is to just slowly die out, because we're making too much of an impact on planet Earth. I don't really need this motorbike, do I? It's great fun. It's absolutely fantastic, but it's really just a toy. Alright, I do volunteer for the Devon Freewheelers. That's useful to society. But we humans, we've caused so much damage to planet Earth. Perhaps, you know, perhaps I just think too much about the wrong things.
Yes, we want your experiences of nurses and midwives. From today, they must abide by the new code of practice. It spells out the obvious: provide decent care, including terms of water, be open and honest, and raise concerns